Would you like to learn how to cook the crispiest potato you've ever bloody seen? Because if you do, then you best watch the video. Righto guys, really easy to do these. Basically peel your potatoes, whack them through a blender or a mandolin so you get nice thin layers. Get a loaf tin, baking paper, season with salt, cracked black pepper, oregano. Then put your potatoes in, then a layer of olive oil, or you can use butter and garlic or just butter. And then just keep seasoning, salt, cracked black pepper, so on, so on, so on. Once you get to the top, baking paper over the top, little hole, then aluminium foil. Then they go in the oven at 170°C until they are cooked all the way through and tender. Let them cool down, put another baking loaf, exactly the same size, over the top, 2 tins, into the fridge for overnight. And then basically bring them out the day after, trim them up, cut them into the sizes that you want, season them slightly with a bit of salt, into the fry pan, or alternatively, a better way of also doing it is into the oven at your highest temp until they are nice and golden crispy. Do have to be very careful doing it this way, I have learnt as well, because they can start to fall apart a bit. So you've got 2 ways of doing it, guys.